So your Pixel 8a has the black screen of death. Mine doesn't, but if yours does, the first solution is press and hold power and volume up and keep these held down for around 10 to 15 seconds. This is going to initiate a force restart, and why this helps is because the black screen may not be caused by your phone being broken, but by the software being glitched. So by doing a force restart, we restart the software, you won't lose any data. So I'm going to release both fingers now. That is the first solution. The second solution is potentially the charging port may have dirt inside of it. So to check this out, what we need to do is we're going to get a torch and we're just going to shine it into the port of the phone. So my port's clean. If yours has dirt, just get a needle, some tweezers, ideally a brush like an old toothbrush, and just brush in or use your tweezers to go inside the port. You have to go to the very bottom right or the very top right as there's that center separator, and then swipe across and push up. I'd recommend the brush as that's the safest, but you can use tweezers or a needle if you don't have a brush, and then charge the phone and try again. And finally, your Pixel 8a, the battery or display cable may have unplugged. So with two thumbs, just push down really hard on the back of the phone and do this for the entire back of the phone, the same pushing motion. Then with two fingers, tap really hard all the way around the back of the phone. Do the same with the front. And if you hear click, that means that cable is replugged in. And then do the force restart or charge the phone, and then the phone will be back up and running.